Vele siyakhala.
Athi uthome ngani wakwaziwa loyo muntu lo. Ubhizani.
Vele.
Yemta baba.
Nginibingelela bafethu nginamukele kuyona channel. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also like this video. I'm not doing this video to expose inkosi yamagcokama and the wrongfulness maybe mhlambe ayenzile in order ukuthi ke kufike kulesimo ke esesikusona njengamanje. But then looking at ama video akhe, especially the two, not the one ekade ese garage khona, but then the first one akade beshutha khona besemgaqweni. There is this person who's showing 2 bottles of ubhiya akhona laphayana ke, in as much as eseceleni lawo mabhodlela, but you can see ukuthi ke lawo mabhodlela kushutha belahlwe ibona because ibona abakulayasini and ibona abashuthayo laphayana ke abenza ama video nani uyabo. And the second and the video whereby becrossa khona ke I double barrel line and ama 10 indlela kade ade bewashaya ngayo kusebusuku. There is this car esemva kwabo and there is this person oba recordayo, of which uba recorda ngesikhathi eswrong, behamba ngendlela wrong kuma 10 ayingozi ngendlela ke eyisimanga. Look at this very short video ekuyiyona yona engasekugcineni. Uzobona ukuthi lapha kune double barrel of which kuyingozi kangakanani noma kukhomba ukuthi kuyingozi kangakanani ke ukweqa laba yolayini. There is no expect well of mhlambe ke umgwaqo, but if you take a look at these things, maybe ukube ukuthi mhlambe ke akuphuziwe. I'm saying akuphuziwe just because I'm assuming ukuthi bebephuzile. And also ube bokuthi ke mhlambe imithetho emigwaqo bayilandelela njengokungeqi ama double barrel njengoba bebenza lapha yana, okanye even ngisho speed abahamba ngaso the time benza leya 10 akusona ispeed ngempela ke umuntu onormal angakwazi ukuthi ke avele ke a10 ngaso kule yandawo. Anyways bafethu, you can tell me ukuthi ke what you think mayelana nale analysis engiyenzayo ke kulama video. Kodwa ke ngikulindele nokuthi ningithukeke nganza kwethu because phela vele sigudi kuloko, but then ke okrong nje futhi ke akucorrectwa ngoku wrong. Anyways, tell me what you think nokuthi ke ukubalekele kunakho konke ke yikho ukuthi ke sithi rest in peace kuyona inkosi yamagcokama nabafowethu labo akade ke ehamba nabo, ngizothi nje iqembu lonke ilimele kakhulu indima kaMaskandi noma yomculo wonkana. Ngibonga kakhulu for ukuthamela le video, ngakhohlwa ke usubscribe futhi kuyona i-channel.